गुड मॉर्निंग मार्वेलस महिलाज। आप सबका हमारी टीम मान महिला की तरफ से बहुत बहुत स्वागत।
हमारे साथ बहुत सारी महिला जुड़ी हैं। उनमें से एक जो हमारे साथ आज जुड़ने वाली है, उनका नाम सीए प्रीति है। वार्म विशेस मैम, वेलकम टू आवर प्लेटफॉर्म। प्लीज टेल
Hello,
अस
ma'am.
मोर अबाउट योर लाइफ जर्नी टिल नाउ।
This platform. As I thought that this is a much needed thing in now scenario, and I really appreciate you have started this thing in nowadays. And it's lockdown period, everyone is so depressed, and sharing the success story, it's a plus and add-on thing in everybody's life. So starting my own thing, yes, I'm a Preeti Nagi. I'm a chartered accountant, and I'm practicing from past 3 years as a Preeti Nagi and as a proprietor. And I'm a personality development trainer. I'm in personality development trainer. I'm a marathon runner. I'm a straight treasurer of Punjab of CIMSME. I'm a founder of Be a Light in Someone's Life, initiative started just to boost up and encourage the professionals and encourage the budding stars to share their talent with us. I'm a founder of Opportunity Creators, a job platform provided to the persons to share their jobs and catch the opportunities whenever they require. And I'm a facilitator of ICA as well. And being a journey, and it was very difficult journey of my being a from plus one and to be a chartered accountant from Preeti Nagi to CA Preeti Nagi. It's the journey was full of struggles, and it was not at all an easy thing for
I
me.
can understand. I was about to ask you this question, ma'am. Just try to mention some challenges you have faced in your life journey till now.
Challenges I faced in my life that was mostly related to my CA journey because when I started my CA, so being I'm very attached to my family. So
Okay.
being a girl attached to my family and being a woman as well. Before 1 month of exam, तो मेरी mom का हाथ जल गया था, proper burnt from hot water, boiled water. तो यहाँ तक पूरा उनका right hand जल गया था. So I was there तो सारे household works, mom की take care, घर का काम, मतलब it was on me. So my exams was also due, तो मुझे वो भी करना था और वो भी करना था. So it was a very challenging for thing for me कि मुझे वो exams भी करने. And you also chartered accountant, you know how difficult it's to prepare for the exams. And for 1 month आपको तो होता है कर लो बस पढ़ लो पढ़ लो पढ़ लो पढ़ लो. So finals. So my mom was very 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 ill. तो she's an asthmatic patient and thyroid. तो उनको एकदम से with the change of weather उनको problem होती है. So that was the very the thing कि मुझे अभी attempt देना है कि मुझे यहाँ पे जाना है. So I was like just give the attempt कि ये attempt just मुझे देना है. So वो नहीं पास हुआ, but I just scored some exemption in 1-2 subjects. So मतलब it was a journey जहाँ पे मुझे I was devoting more time to my family and studies and balancing this thing.
Still you made
So
it.
that was
Still you made with a good high, ma'am. You had made a good mark in our fraternity. I definitely will endorse that. Heading toward the very third question, rather, because we have completed with the challenges. Social setup में आप कुछ change चाहती हैं? Any type of social change do you want to recommend? You want to mention here?
social change. Where women used to say कि I want to reach here, I want to reach here, I want to reach here. And I think woman is the one creator of the God जो life को, जो हर चीज को mostly easily balance कर लेती है instead of the other male person.
Very correct. Very
Male
correct.
not at all multitasker, and women are already multitaskers.
I totally believe it.
They are multitaskers, so that they have inbuilt capacity, they have the inbuilt talent कि सब चीजें manage कर सकते. Then why not a field in their working environment? Why not they are entrepreneurs, they are mother, they are everywhere, they are establishing their right.
Yes,
So
very
when
good.
we see in future that bifurcation should not be there. I am a woman or she's a male person. So whenever people see कि woman है CEO position पे है, they will see कि अगर woman है तो she must be capable enough to reach there.
Definitely.
Mentality.
Definitely. So again very relevant question. I want this आपको पता होगा मैम, ये मंच हमारा जो है वो एक दूसरे को, जैसे हम वुमेन्स हैं, एक दूसरे को मान दे रही हैं, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्नॉलेज ईच अदर्स कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द इकोनॉमी एज अ होल. तो उसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट रहता है, आपकी जो सिस्टम चेंज चली आ रही है, आपकी फैमिली में जो आपको सपोर्ट चेन जिसको हम कह सकते हैं, वो प्लीज आप यहाँ इस मंच पे जरूर हमारे साथ शेयर करें. आई नो डेफिनेटली you'll mention your parents, mother. Please mention any two women you feel they have been very contributive to your life.
Ma'am, if I consider my life was totally surrounded with my family.
Okay.
If I talk about one woman in her life who supported me well, none other than, as everybody say, it's my mother.
Okay.
Nobody else saw except my mother, but my mother has supported me very well. She is ill, she can't do it, but in every step, she supported me so well कि नहीं तुम कर लो, नहीं तुम अपनी पढ़ाई कर लो, तुम अपने करियर की तरफ ध्यान दो, I'll do it. There were many steps, many situations when I fall down कि नहीं अब नहीं मेरे से हो सकता, I'm dropping my CA, I can't do it, but she was the only one
consistently आपको pursue करवा रही है. Very very correct. And यहाँ आपने जैसे mention करा, basically the मंच, ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, मैं यहाँ पे definitely ये चाहती हूँ सारे जो भी आए वो अपने पेरेंट्स को एक्नॉलेज करते हैं, मदर्स को एक्नॉलेजमेंट देते हैं, and that gives a lot of happiness to me as a mother also. And बढ़ते हैं, हमारे पास लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, the format is little less, तो फटाफट इसको आप मैम वाइंड अप करने से पहले बताओ कि what type of messages do you want to give the young women, be the entrepreneurs, be the chartered accountant upcomings, anyone around, please अपना inspiring notes पे खत्म करो मैम, जल्दी फटाफट.
We used to say, we want to reach there, we want to reach there. I must say, be the change you want to see in the world. You want to see the equality, right? We want to see everybody must be, not think I'm a woman or you must. The first point we have to learn, पहले वो mindset हमारा खुद का होना चाहिए कि I am a woman, तो मैं ये क्या कर पाऊंगी. If anybody is कि आपको ये करना है, तो अगर आपके माइंड में क्या आ रहा है, आई एम अ वुमन, तो दैट मीन्स इक्वालिटी इज नॉट इन आवर माइंड. व्हेन स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि व्हाई नॉट आई कैन डू इट,
व्हाई नॉट, यस,
व्हेन थिंकिंग व्हाई कैन आई डू इट, द इक्वालिटी हमारे अंदर आएगी तो हम दूसरों को समझाएंगे.
यस,
जब तक हमारे लिए वी कैन स्टैंड लाइक
the concept has to come inside and then we'll portray. बहुत ही relevant point है, because हम किसी से क्या expect करते हैं, if your condition yourself is like
your own self na, if I'll say that you can't, why can't I do it, I'll do it. If you're that confident enough, nobody will beat you at any step. Nobody will beat you. If I'll say yes, I'll do it, कौन कहेगा कि आप तुम नहीं कर सकते. You will say I'll do it. Be confident enough. हम confident हो जाएंगे, everybody will stop thinking that they can't do it, because we have established our own self, the thought process. So start from your own self, and I literally want to see the change in the woman, because whenever I talk to someone, they will say कि ये काम मैंने कभी नहीं किया है, and I'm a woman, how can I do it? Why don't
even this platform, yeah, experimenting, we are trying to experiment, come on, let's acknowledge कुछ नया ही सीखने को मिलेगा.
I must say, we women are blessed with so many qualities, so many talents.
Yes.
Just to think that we just mindset of the I am a woman.
बिल्कुल.
So you are blessed.
Great, and definitely very very inspiring. और क्योंकि हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म थोड़ा टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट का, बट सीए प्रीति मैम, amazing thoughts, amazing woman you are, strong runner and all marathon. I must congratulate you for making a great mark. Once again, thank you so very much, ma'am. It was lovely hearing.